Hello everyone and welcome to the session. In this video we are going to discuss this beautiful question on time and work, and we'll try and derive a formula to which we can solve this question in less than 10 seconds. But before going to the formula, I'll also discuss the logic and how this kind of question should be approached. So kind of a very simple question. If you look at this, working alone, Amit takes 20 extra days as compared to Amit and Vijay working together. So obviously, if Amit and Vijay are working together, they will do more work and they will complete the work sooner. But if Amit alone, only working on the task, he is taking 20 extra days. Similarly, working alone, Vijay will take 80 extra days as compared to Amit and Vijay working together. So obviously, when two people are working together, they will take less time. If only one of them is working, naturally they will take more time. But we can conclude from the question itself that Amit and Vijay, both of them definitely have different working capacities. Because if Amit is working alone, he is taking 20 extra days, whereas if Vijay is working alone, he is taking 80 extra days. So, can I conclude, if work is equal to constant, okay, the amount of work to be done, if that is constant, can I say work efficiency is inversely proportional to time? This means someone who is more efficient will take less time to complete. Someone who is less efficient will take more time to complete the task. So suppose I am taking two persons A and B. So work efficiency of A to work efficiency of B will be time of B to time of A. We can conclude this as a relation. Because it is inversely proportional, so WA by WB will be TB by TA. Now let us try and visualize this question in form of a picture. Let me say this is the total work. Let us say this represents the total work. And this is the work done by Amit, whereas this is the work done by Vijay. And both are taking X days together. Okay. So this portion, left portion, is the work done by Amit in X days, and this dotted portion is the work done by Vijay in same X days, and together in X days they are completing the task. Now imagine if Vijay is not there. So again, this is the total work, and if Amit is working alone, so Amit in X days will only do this amount of work, but the work is still not complete because Vijay is not there. So the work which was done by Vijay earlier, now Amit will do that work. And in order to do that work, Amit is taking 20 days. So total time taken is X plus 20 here. So the work which was earlier done by Vijay in X days, Amit is taking 20 days to do the same. And similarly, if I visualize a second scenario where Amit is not there, so Vijay in X days would do this amount of work. But the work is still not complete because Amit is not there. So the work which was done by Amit in X days, Vijay to complete that, Vijay will take 80 extra days. So this is how you can visualize this question. And after visualization of this question, if I try and use this relation, what would it look like? For let's say this particular work, case 1, this dotted portion of work, if I compare the work efficiency of A and B, it is time of B by time of A. Now, what is the time taken by B to do this work? B takes X days. Whereas to do the same work which was done by B in X days, A is taking 20 days. So let this be equation 1. And the same thing if you visualize it here in the second scenario when Amit is not there. So again, work efficiency of A to work efficiency of B is time of B to time of A. So the work which was done by Amit in X days. Now Vijay is taking 80 days to do that. So time taken by Vijay is 80 days and time taken by Amit is X days. Let this be 2. Now from 1 and 2, I can equate because they are giving the same ratio, only ratio of the work efficiency of A and B. So I can write X by 20 is equal to 80 by X, or X square is equal to 20 into 80. or x is square root of 20 into 8. So if I solve this, x is square root of 1600 or x is equal to 40. And what was x? X is the time taken when both of them are working together. Question was asking us what is the time taken by Amit alone. So if Amit is working alone, Amit will take x plus 20 extra days. So time taken by Amit alone is x 40 plus 20. So answer will be 60. But this gives us an important conclusion. Okay, very important conclusion, that is this. So if I want to generalize this, let us say I'll take t is the time taken working together. If they are working together, let us say t is the time taken working together, and t1 and t2, let that be the extra time taken to complete each other's task. So which was 20 days and 80 days in this question. Let us say we generalize it as t1 and t2 is the extra time taken to complete each other's task. Then I can conclude that t is square root of t1 into t2. Time taken to complete the work together is the square root of the product of the extra time taken by each of them to complete individual task. Extra time. So next time you see a question like this, the moment you see this number 20 and 80, just multiply 20 into 80, 1600 square root, 40 is the time taken together. So Amit will take 40 plus 20, 60 days. You can answer it in less than 10 seconds. And there is a similar approach of the same formula in time, speed and distance. But we need to visualize the question in that kind of a way. So I hope this is clear. Thank you all.